makasurvive siya sa iyang song karon atong second sa atong next contestant. Makasurvive ba siya? Oh, kumutuo siya. So ladies and gentlemen, atong 13th contestant. Okay, so okay, so kung sa man ang naani mo, kaya ikaw may ang pinakalaki contestant. So, let me ask you this. Kung sa may naani mo, mawala ka bang contestant? For sure, even yung nalaka sa backstage na kalugod ka nila. Ay, bila! Okay, you just know that you're beautiful. Beautiful siya, di ba? I believe it's an Encantané. Okay, so tanaw na to. And somebody told me that you're in love. How true is that?
Very much!
Nakadito sa pita. Okay, how true is that? Okay, it's true. Okay, it's true kuno nga in love. My question is, ma-in love pagkaha ang ato mga sa atong mga judges sa imuhang voice. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, ito mo si Pangpapak ang atong last contestant.
As you catch shooting stars, somehow I did know that the love that you would and the magic that can lift you up and guide you on your way. I can see your sun from sky. Just a hundred times I dreamed you more. Now I'm on the reach the light. See, I'm waiting on my life for this moment to arrive. When you look at the world apart, oh no, have you known you're existing? Everything hard, oh, that's not very soon to life. It's the hope to love.
By the way, for the last slide, what is your message sa imong loved one?
Thank you for supporting me even though that would swing sky or also I appreciate your presence at the time na ko'y ganang.
Say loved one na wala ba yung I love you din, ha?
I love you so much.
Okay, so nagkataon si pagpapapalagay natin last contestant sa ato second category na we're calling ato category. So, pag-pamilyan kami ang Brother Paul.